Hey everyone, welcome back to S3 Insights, where we break down today's policies and economic changes for tomorrow's business decisions. I'm Nicole Green, and today we're diving into one of the hottest and most complex issues for small business owners in 2025: the return of Trump-era tariffs, including a 15% import duty on many goods. So, what changed? As of July 2025, the administration has reinstated and expanded tariffs on goods from multiple countries, particularly China, Mexico, and parts of Europe. These 15% import duties are the highest we've seen since World War II, and they're hitting consumer electronics, raw materials, auto parts, textiles, food ingredients, and more. Businesses are now absorbing thousands in extra costs per shipment. For example, a 100K shipment from overseas now incurs an additional 15K in import taxes. According to Reddit's r small business community, many owners are seeing direct hits to their margins, supplier reliability, and pricing models. A cafe in Oregon used to import ceramic mugs from Vietnam for $2.50 a unit. With tariffs, landed cost is $2.80. That small bump adds $3,000 in cost a quarter. A car detailing shop in Ohio can't get custom parts anymore at pre-2025 prices. They're either passing the cost on to customers or losing business. Owners are dealing with inflation, supply chain delays, and angry customers who won't pay more. Here's what smart small businesses are doing right now to adapt: finding domestic suppliers. Many are pivoting to US-based producers, even if it means slightly higher unit costs, because it reduces customs delays and import headaches. Rethinking SKUs and inventory. Instead of stocking 20 product variations, businesses are simplifying to their top 5 bestsellers to streamline costs. Group purchasing and cooperative orders. Redditors are talking about teaming up with nearby businesses to place bulk orders and negotiate better pricing on shipping and duties. Raising prices transparently. Some are using honest communication. Due to changes in global tariffs, our prices have increased slightly to maintain quality. Customers appreciate clarity. If you haven't yet, run a tariff exposure audit. Look at where your goods are coming from and what HS codes they fall under. Use tools like the U.S. International Trade Commission's tariff database or consult your freight forwarder. Now's also the time to rethink your pricing model, raise capital if needed, and explore grant or tax relief programs that help businesses hit by international trade volatility. Remember, diversification is the only defense. Don't let your entire supply chain rely on a single country or port. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more small business strategy content from Simplified Solutions Systems. I'm Nicole Green. See you in the next video.